If you're looking to view messages from contacts that you have previously blocked on your iPhone, it's important to note that these messages won't appear in your Messages app. However, there are still ways to check if you've received any messages from blocked contacts. Here's a detailed guide on how to see blocked messages on your iPhone. Solution 1. First, unblock the person. Open Settings, scroll down, tap Apps, scroll down, tap Message. Scroll down, tap Blocked Contact. Now unblock the person that you want to see the message from. Quickly after that, open your Message apps. Find the contact. Now if they already sent you a message, you will see the message will start to come to your iPhone. However, if you see there is no message coming, tap Filter icon, tap Unknown Sender, and check out this section to find out the message. After that, you will be able to see and read the message from here. By following these steps, you can attempt to see messages from blocked contacts on your iPhone. If you need any further assistance or have more questions, feel free to ask in the comments.